Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to easily change your name on the Asana app using your phone. This guide is perfect if you want to update your profile information quickly without any hassle. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, look toward the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. From here, select View Profile to access your personal profile settings. Then, click on the pen icon at the top right. Then, in the full name field, you can add or update your name if you wish. After entering your new name, the app will save your changes automatically. Finally, refresh the app to see your updated profile and new name displayed on your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.